Okay, so this is now the problem for your regenerative cycle. So the problem goes like this. A Rankine steam power plant operates with one steam bleed for feed water heating. Isa lang ang open, assume na natin, open feed water heater yun. Steam enters the turbine at 15 MPa and 600 degrees Celsius. It is condensed at a pressure of 10 kPa. Okay, ilan ba yung 10 kPa? Divide mo ng 1,000. I think that is 0.01 MPa. Okay? Sa feed water mo, steam bled out of the turbine at a pressure of 1.2 MPa. So 1.2 MPa. Ito yung P2. This is P3. Ang P1 natin is at 15 MPa. Okay? May binigay bang temperature? Yes, at P1. Draw the TS diagram and the schematic diagram. You should find the following. Number 1, enthalpy at all points. The mass of bled steam, M1. Excuse me. And QAQR, work ng turbine, work ng pump, yung total. Efficiency of the cycle, and then the efficiency of the engine. Now, you should have the first, yung ating, copying ko muna ha, yung ating diagram. Mas maganda kasi may diagram ko. Here. Yan. Ilalagay yung diagram mo. So, lakyan natin diagram. Yan. So, dito. Okay. At point 1, P1 is equal to 15 MPa. Tapos, temperature 1 is at 600 degrees Celsius. Tignan nyo na yung value. Yan. So, this is, ang basis natin is 1 kilogram per second, ang mass natin. The mass of steam is at 1 kilogram per second. And then, this is the bleed steam, 1. 1 minus M. Ano yan? Kung meron tayong M, okay, meron tayong M2. Meron tayong M1, M2. Ito yung M1 natin eh. Okay? M2. Yan. So, ano pa yung given dito? Ang given dito is 1.2 MPa. Ang given dito is 0.01 MPa. Sa condenser na yan. Yan. So, meron pa bang hahanapin? Wala na. So, we should find all the enthalpies that are asked. So, at point 1, where P1 is equal to 15 MPa and T is equal to 600 degrees Celsius. Now, H1 and then S1 is equal to S2 is equal to S3. Should find them all. Okay. Hanapin natin sa table na yan. Table 3. Andito na. Nilagay ko na dyan. Ayokong pinahihirapan kayo eh. Table 3. Lakihan natin. At table 3, nasaan siya? 600 degrees Celsius tapos 15. Ayun. Yun oh. Ito kagad nasa baba. So that is, bilugan na natin yung kanyang H1 tsaka S1. H1. Magkatabi parati yan eh. Yan, 600. See, this is H1, this is S1. Yan. So, lagay natin yung value niya. H1. Check nyo ha. H1 is 3582.3. 3582.3. Yan. 3582.3 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay? Tapos S1 is equal to S2, S3. That is 6.6776. Check natin. 6.6776. Okay? 6.6776 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. You have the values for S1. Now, going back to your schematic diagram at point 2. Point 2. Yan. point 2 S1 is equal to S2 is equal to 6.76776 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Now, ito yung value niya na. So, saan mo hahanapin to, sir? Di ba given yung P2 mo? At P2 is equal to 1.2 MPa. Check na natin kung 1.2 ba talaga yan. Ayun, 1.2. So, hanapin natin saang table yan. Siyempre, di ba, ano ba yung condition natin pag pumasok dyan? Sabi, sir, dun sa ating condition, dun sa ating idea, okay, na sinabi kanina sa ating discussion, that it is above, slightly above of that that indicated on your Rankine system. Ngayon, that is in table 3. Hanapin natin. At 1.2. Ayun, may 1.2 tayo dito. 1.2. Hanapin mo yung 6.67. Nandito, beyond here. Ito, sa table na ito. Yun, bano. So, nandito siya. 6.67, 1.2 MPa. Nandito siya. Okay? Andito siya between these parameters. Yan. Ito. Yan. So, itabi natin dyan. So, hanapin natin sa H2. H2 is equal to, hindi natin alam, di ba? Kunin natin yung H and then S at 1.2. Okay? Yung H dito is, ano yung H dyan? The H is 2853.1. Tapos, missing yung value ni H2. Tapos, nasa baba, 2865.1. Tapos, yung 6.6672. Tapos, 6.6776. Tapos, 6.6918. Okay, mahanap na natin yung value ni H2. H2 will be mode 32. Mode 32. The value will be 6.6672. Yung sa baba niya, 6.6918. 6.6918. Okay, tapos ilagay mo dito yung values na hinahanapan mo. That is 2853.1. And then yung baba, 2865.1. Okay, and then press AC. Then shift 1, 5, and 5. Hanapin mo ngayon yung corresponding S niya dyan. That is 6.6766. 6776. Okay. The value is 2858. Okay. 2858.1732 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay. Kunin ko yung laso. Ilalaso ko siya para ma-paste ko. Yan. Control C. Okay. Nasa na tayo? That is for the value of H2. Control B. Ayun. Sakin ba natin? Control B. Ayan. Di ba? Gawaing masipag. Okay. So, we have the value for H2. Ano pa i-solve natin, sir? H3. H3, saan makukuha yun? At 0.3. At the condenser, 0.3. Yan, condenser. Where P condenser is equal to 0.01 MPa. Tapos, sinabi dito na S1 is equal to S2 is equal to S3. Equal siya sa 6. Natin. Equal siya sa 6.677. 6776 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Now, you have the value. Okay? Hanapin na natin yung anong hinahanap natin pag condenser. Di ba lagi natin hinahanap tong quality? Hindi natin alam yung quality. We must check for the quality first. Okay? Hindi natin alam. And then for the quality, hanapin natin si SF. Okay? Ano pa? SFG, CHF, HFG, at saka syempre, huwag nating kakalimutan si VF. Ano? VF at condenser. Hindi. Na lang. Condenser. Ayan. So, SF. Nasaan yung value niyan? Must be ang value nito, the values you can find it on where? The value you can find sa table. Ayun, table 1. Hindi, table 2 pala. Kasi 0.1. Ayun, dito na. 0.01. Nasaan na yan? Ako, hindi ko ata na isama. Ayun, nandito. Yun, oh. Ayan na. Yan. So, this one is VF, HF, HFG, SF, HFG. Ayan. So, 0.1. Asan yung linyang yun? Ayun, nakita natin. 0.1. Punti pa. Yun. Ayos. Ayos yan. Yan ha. Ayun o. SFG. So, 0.1. This line. Ayan. Nandun hanggang dulo. So, this is SF, SFG, HF, HFG. Ilan naman kailangan natin? Ilagay ko na ha. 191.83 yung HF. 191.83. 191.83 kilojoule per kilogram. HFG is HFG 2392 2392.8 kilojoule per kilogram. Yung SF is 0.6493 0.6493 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Tapos 7.5009 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Check natin ulit dun sa graph. Yun. Ayun, 2392.8. Tama ba? Okay, check natin yan. 009. 5009. Tapos 0.64. Ano yung VF dyan? The VF is, ayun 0.00. 10102. Okay? That is 0.00100102. Meter cube per kilogram. Yan ang VF at conditioner. Hanapin na rin natin yung VF at VF at 1.2 para hindi natin hanapin mamaya. VF at pressure 1.2 MPa. Hanapin ko na rin. Okay? At yung HF. HF at P is equal to 1.2 MPa. Para isahan na lang. So, nandito yan sa table na ito. Yun. 1.2. Yun, no? Ito yung VF. This is the VF. Okay? And then, nasaan ang HF? Ito ata. Hindi ako nagkakamali. Tignan nga natin. Yun, no? Paksiw. 798.65. This is 798.65. 798.65 kilojoule per kilogram. Tapos, this is VF 100.001 11385. 0.0011385. Check natin ulit para di na tayo babalik. Ayan, 385. Okay, so we have the values for HF nung sa ano? HF, HFG, SFG, SF. Para ma-check na natin yung for later to. Okay? Lagyan ko ng marking. Okay? For X, hanapin natin. This is 6.6776 minus 0.6493 over 7.5009. Then X will be equal to mode 1 natin. Mode 1. So, 6.6776 minus 0.6493 divided by 7.5009. Okay? That is 80%. Okay, kulin lang natin yung 0.80368. Yan yung quality natin. Now, we can find yung H3. H3 will become yung HF, okay, 191.83. 191.83 plus 0.80368 multiplied to yung HFG natin. That is 2392. 2392.8. This is H3. Okay. 191.83 plus 0.80368 times 2392.8. 2114. This is 2114.8755 kilojoule per kilogram. We have H3. And syempre, meron na rin tayong H4. H4 is equal to HF at P condenser. And that is 191.83 kilojoule per kilogram. H4. Now, going back to your diagram, ano yung nahanap natin? Solve na si H1, solve na si H2, solve na si H3, solve na si H4, H5. How will we find H5? We have to find muna yung work ng pump. Kaya kinuha ko na kagad si VF, okay, nung conditioner, nung condenser, and then the VF ni open feed water. Okay. So, for the pump, 4 pumps, 1 and 2. Yan. So, work ng pump 1 going here. Yan. Ito yung work ng pump 1 eh. Dito. Work of pump 1. And this one, work of pump 2. Doon muna tayo sa work ng pump 1. For work of the pump 1, that is equal to VF at condensing pressure multiplied to 1,000 multiplied to the pressure 2 na habulin niya minus the P condenser. Yan. So, VF is 0.010101. Check natin. 02. Yan. Meter cube per kilogram. Tapos, multiply natin ng 1,000. Tapos, P2, that is 1.2 minus 0.01. Kilonewton per. Kilonewton ba yan? Tama. Kilonewton per meter squared. Yan. So, ang lalabas is kilojoule per kilogram. So, this is 1.0102 0.00101 hindi, 02 pala. Times 1,000 times 1.2 minus 0.01. That is equal to 1 point, di ba ang liit, no? Liit nung work pump 1. 1.2021 kilojoule per kilogram. That is for the work ng pump 1. O, hanapin mo na ngayon yung H5. Kasi nga, yun yung hahanapin natin dyan dito sa part na ito. Ayan, H5. Dalawa yung pumasok, isa ang lumabas. So, H5 will be equal to H4 plus work ng pump 1. Commonly, add na lang natin 1.2021 plus yung work ng, hindi, yung sa H4, 191.83. Yan. Plus 191.83. Kunti lang nadagdag. That is 193. H5 is 193.03. Excuse me. 21 kilojoule per kilogram. Mayan natin yung masa. H5. So, let's go to the second pump. Dito. This is H6, H7. So, ito yung system na kukunin naman natin. Yung may work ng pump. Mamaya na yung iba. So, for the second pump, work pump 2, that is equal to VF at pressure 2 multiplied to 1,000 multiplied to pressure 2 minus pressure ng condenser. Hindi, ano ba hinabol ng pressure? Ang hinabol ng pressure is pressure 1. Yan, pressure 1 minus pressure 2. Yun, correct na. So, VF at P2, kinuha ko yon. Yun, 0.001 1385, 11,385. That is 0.0011385 meter cube per kilogram multiplied by 1,000 multiplied by, ano hinabol niyang pressure? I think that is 15 MPa minus 1.2 kilonewton per meter squared. KPa eh. So, that is, check ko nga, tama. Ginawa ko MPa. Tama lang. Tama lang. Tama lang siya. Okay? So, solve na natin. 0.0011385 times 1,000. Kahit di mo na nga 1,000 to eh. Multiply. So, 15 minus 1.2. The answer will be, uy, laki. Hindi ko nalagyan ng point. Yung, so 15,711. Check natin yung second work ng pump. Okay, so 15,713. Correct. 15.7113 kilojoule per kilogram. That is the second work of the pump. Now we'll go to the determination ng H7. Kasi yung H6 mo, saan mo kuha H6? H6 is equal to HF at 1.2 MPa. Or the pressure, or pressure 2. That is, nakuha ko na yan, di ba? Pressure 2. HF at pressure 2. Ayan, 798.65. That is 798.65. 798.65. Kilojoule per kilogram. Yun. That is H6. We can say, we can solve for number 7. H7. H7. Dalawa yung pumasok, isang lumabas. Going back to your diagram, ayun. H7 is out, in parehas si H6 and then work of the pump 2. So, additive yung dalawa and will result to H7. So, work of the pump 2, that is 15.7113 plus 798.65. The answer will be plus 798.65 Okay. 814. 814.3613 kilojoule per kilogram. Yun, no? Nasolve na natin lahat ng enthalpies. Okay? List down natin lahat ng enthalpy bago natin isolve silang lahat. Okay? We list down H1, H2, H3, H4, and then H5, H6, H7. Yan. Lista natin. H1, 3582.3. 3582.3. H7, 814.3613. H6 is 798.65. Yung H5 natin is 193 193.0321. 193.0321. Okay. H4 is 191.83. H3, sinolve din natin yan. H3 is 2114.8755. Yung H2, sinolve din natin. 2858.1732. 2858.1732. Okay? We all have the enthalpies. Yan. Nasolve na natin lahat ng enthalpy na pwede nating masolve. All in kilojoule per kilogram. Now, we will solve for the number 2, mass of bled steam. Okay. Mass of bled steam. Kunin ulit natin yung diagram para hindi tayo nalilito. Control C. Okay. I want to show you the diagram and then kopyahin natin yung ano. Okay. Kopyahin natin to. Ito gusto ko. Yan. Tanggalin natin yung reheating ha. Hindi reheating yan ha. So, Control V. Ayan. So, from here, okay, brain natin to. Okay, this is, brain natin yung mga points na yan. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is, this point is 5. This is 0.6, 0.7. Ayan. Galing natin. Now, ang pumasok daw dito is 1 kilogram per second. Ang papasok pa rin dito is 1 kilogram per second. Ang lalabas dito is M. Ang pumasok dito is 1 minus M. Ang papasok dito 1 minus M. Papasok dito is 1 minus M. Ang papasok pa rin dito 1 minus M. Tapos ang lalabas dito is 1, 1. Okay. Sir, this is the moment of truth. Okay? Recall, in order to find the mass of the bled steam, okay, this one, that is shorter over longer. Okay. We cross out. Ano ba yung segment na yan? Di ba yung 5 to 6? Okay, 5 to 6. And then, yung 5 to 2. Okay? Shorter muna. That is, excuse me, H6 minus H5. Over. Shorter eh. Itong dalawa. Ayun o. Yung longer, yung buo na. Yun. So, that is H2 minus H5. So, we can solve for M, the mass of the bled steam. Okay? The mass of the bled steam is now solvable. Yeah. We can now solve for the mass of the bled steam. For the mass of the bled steam, B, mass bled. M is equal to, excuse me, H6 minus H5 over H2 minus H5. H6, ano yung H6 natin? 798.65. H5 is 193.0321. 0321 over ano? H2, 2858. 2858.1732. Yan. Minus 193.0321. The answer is it is the percentage percentage lang nung 1 kilogram per second. I-multiply nyo ito ng ano? This is M1, okay? M1, ma-multiply nyo ito ng 1 kilogram per second. Yung pinagmulan niya na part, okay? 1 kilogram per second. So, 798.65 minus 193.0321 over 2858.173 and 2 minus 193.0321. The answer will be, yan yung mass of the blood stream mo. 0.2273 kilograms per second. Okay? Gets na natin? That is the mass of the blood stream. Now, ano pa i-solve natin? Letter C. Letter C. QA and QR. QA na tayo. Go to your boiler. So, letter C. QA and QR. So, QA. QA for the boiler. Ayan, drawing natin. Medyo matagalan talaga ang pag-solve nito kasi iniisa-isa natin. This is H1. This is H7. This is QA. By energy in, energy out equation, okay? So, QA will be equal to 1 kilogram per second multiplied to H1 minus H7. The QA equal to 1 kilogram per second multiplied to H1. H1 is, gawin natin dito, 3582.3. 3582.3. 3582.3 minus H7. 814.3613. 814.3613 kilojoule per kilogram. Cancel the same units. Ang lalabas kilojoule per second. That is in kilowatts. Okay. Answer natin. Magko-close yan. Ayan, nag-close na. So, 3582.3 minus 814.3613. Ayan. So, that is 27 QA. 2767.9387 kilowatts. That is QA. What if QR? QR, drawing natin. QR. Ito yung condenser. Ayan na. Condenser. So, this is H3. This is H4. Ang lalabas dyan is QR. Ngayon, tignan nyo dito. Tignan nyo dyan. Saan ka? Sa condenser. Ano yung pumasok na mas? 1 minus M, di ba? Lalabas 1 minus M. So, ang papasok dito, multiply mo ng 1 minus M. Tapos dito, 1 minus M. Therefore, by energy balance equation, QR is equal to 1 minus M kilogram per second multiplied to Ano yung lumabas pareho dyan? H4, H3. Mas mataas si H3 kaysa H4. H3 minus H4. Okay. So, 1 minus 0.22. Ano yan? 22. Dito yun eh. 2273. 2273 kilogram per second. H3 is H3. 2114.8755. 2114.8755 minus H4. H4 is H4 191.83. 191.83. 1991.83 kilojoule per kilogram. Cancel the same units. Okay, ang lalabas dyan, kilojoule per second or kilowatts. That is 1 minus 0.2273. That is, store natin to para magamit ko ulit. Equal A. Okay. Times 2114.8755 minus 191.83. The answer will be 1485. 1485.9373 kilowatts. Yan yung heat reject. Okay. Ano pa hanapin natin? Pahanapin work turbine, work ng pump, EC. Okay? Pwede natin mahanap yung EC. Letter D. Letter D. Oh, so efficiency of the cycle. So 1 minus QR over QA. Tama naman, di ba? That is equal to 1 minus QR. That is 1485.9373 over yung QA mo is 2767.9387. 2767.9387. 9387. What will be the thermal efficiency of the cycle? 1 minus QR over QA. 1485.9373 divided by 2767.9387. Yung. So that is, 'di ba, below nga ng 50%. So 0.46316. That is the efficiency of the cycle. Check natin kung tatama siya pag gamit natin yung mga work inputs. So the work ng iyong pump total, that is work ng pump 1 and work ng pump 2. Excuse me. So work ng pump 1, ano yung pumasok dito? I think 1 dito. Dito kasi 1 minus M. Multiply mo na lang. So work ng pump 1, kopyahin ko na dito. Okay. Laso ko na lang para hindi ko na ulitin. Control C. Yan. Tapos ano ko to? Ayusin ko lang ha. Work ng pump 1. Kilojoule per kilogram. I-multiply natin to ng 1 minus M. 1 minus 0.2276. Ano nga yun? Anong unit nun? 2276. Nasa gilid yan. 2273. 2273. Kilojoule per kilogram per second. plus yung work ng pump 2. Yan. Tapos, multiplied to the 1 kilogram per second. Maging kilowatts ang labas niyan lahat. So, recall natin si A times 1.2021 plus 15.7113 times 1. Yun. So, that is 16 kilowatts. 16.6402 kilowatts for the total of the pump. So, work na naman ng turbine. Work of the turbine. Okay, drawing muna natin. Okay? Drawing natin yung turbine para hindi tayo mahirapan. So, work of the turbine, papasok dito yung 1 mo, H1. Lalabas dito as H2, tapos may M. Lalabas dito ng 1 minus M, H3. Yan. So, pag sama-samahin ko na, work of the turbine, palabas lahat. So, minus natin. 1 kilogram per second multiply to your H1. Hindi ko na simplify minus M multiplied to H2 minus 1 minus M1 tapos H3. As is na yan. Nilagay nyo na lang yung value. 1 kilogram per second multiplied to H1. What is H1? 3582.3. 3582.3 minus, ano yung M? 0.2273 kilogram every second. H2, kunin natin yung value. 2858.1732. 2858.1732 minus 1 minus M, recall lang natin. Ayun, patay tayo dyan. So, 1 minus 0.2273 kilogram every second. Tapos, H3. What is H3? 2114.8755 kung di ako nagkakamali. Yan. Ang lalabas just in kilowatts. Tignan natin yung H4. Ayun o. H3 pala. Ayan. Okay. So, I can now deal with my turbine work. For turbine work, ayan. Okay. 3582.3 minus 0.2273 times 2858.1732 minus 1 minus 0.2273. Lagyan natin dito sa dulo. Yan. Saan dito sa unahan? Yung 2114.8755. Yan. Equal to 1298. Yan yung ating work ng turbine. 1298.4729 kilowatts. That is for the work ng turbine. Okay? Check natin yung EC. Ano yung EC? Cycle efficiency. Gamit yung ating mga work. NC, excuse me, work net over QA. So, work ng turbine 1298.4729 minus yung sa pump, 16.6402. 6402 over QA. What is the QA natin? 2767.9387. 267 2767 2767 2767.9387 9387. Check natin kung nasa 40 ba. 1298.4729 minus 16.6402 divided by 2767.9387. The answer is 46.31, the same. 46.046310. Okay? That is the efficiency. Okay? The same. 310, same lang. Almost the same. Okay? I think na-solve na natin lahat. Tignan natin yung ibang values na hindi natin na-solve. Wala nang ibang isa-solve natin. So, yun lang ang masasolve natin ngayon. Okay? I think na-solve na natin nga. Ay, hindi, may kulang pa. May letter E pa, kung di ako nagkakamali. Let us check for letter E kung meron ba. Ayun, EE, engine. Efficiency, engine efficiency. Let's check for engine efficiency. EE. Yeah. For engine efficiency, letter E. Letter E. Engine efficiency. So, I think this is equal to work ng turbine over EC. Problema mo dito yung EC. Okay? EC. Saan ba kukunin yung EC? EC. Okay? EC. EC is equal to simply work ng turbine. Yung dulo-dulo. Okay? Hanapin mo yung pinakadulo ng system. That is mass of the steam multiplied to H1 minus H6. Okay. Meron naman na tayong work ng turbine dito eh. Ayun o. That is equal to 1298.4729 kilowatts divided by mass of the steam, 1 kilogram every second. Yung H1, makikita ko dito yan. H1. Ayun, 3582. 3582.3. Minus H6. Ang H6 natin is 798.65. 798.65. Or the HF dun sa P2. Kilojoule per kilogram. EE. Okay. Ano tayo? 1298.4729 divided by 3582.3. Hindi ko na sinama yung 1. 1 lang naman yan eh. Minus 798.65. Okay? That will be the answer for the engine efficiency. I hope meron kayo natutunan bago ngayong araw. Ayos ba? So, I think you are now ready to solve yung problems involving regenerative cycle. So, next meeting, I'm hoping you will move on for the next topic. Okay? You'll be ready para sa combined na silang dalawa. Okay? That will be all for today. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. The notes will come out after this in PDF format. Okay. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.